Here we are. This is little Panda, and that's Tux watching her. They're 8-week-old kittens. It took 2 little tuxedos after we lost our darling Checkers. They're such fun. Get him, Tux! Tux is behind the cat post, and that's Panda in front. They're so full of piss and vinegar. Finally have something to smile about. Those are toy mice, by the way. I don't have rodents in my house. Get him, Tux! Get her, Tux! Playful, they eat, and then they play, and then they sleep. And then they eat a little more, and then they play, and then they have a snack, and they sleep. Busy little babies.